Okay, 6550 Heston swather. That's all you need to know about the model number. Lift cylinder for the header. Quite simple. Looks like it should break here. It don't. What it does is you take that fitting off. Inside is this ring. This ring sits in a groove at the very end of the cylinder, or the piston. You move that ring towards into a groove. Out she comes like butter. Wish I had known that. I'd have been together hours ago. Good friend suggested that might be the way it comes apart. Instead of me trying to tear the vise off the bench. And lo and behold, slide that ring into the groove. Out the cylinder comes. Put your seals back in. Slide her all back together. And then there's one of these new ones comes with the kit. Put her all back together, and then you just got to work it with a flat blade screwdriver back into the groove that it belongs in, and it keeps the piston from coming out, and away you go. Hope that helps somebody on a single direction cylinder.